Hello, I'm Bridget. Do you want to be creative with flowers? Today I will teach you how to make a beautiful decoration for your hair using fresh roses. To make this beautiful decoration for your hair, you need of course to choose some nice roses. You can choose roses that either would match your outfit, match your hair or your makeup. For example, if you have pink hair, it's nice to wear a purple or white rose. If you have brown or blonde hair, most other colors work fine as well. You can wear, for example, red roses in your hair if you like to wear red lipstick. And if you have a floral dress like I'm wearing today, it's nice to wear a nice pink rose. We also need a couple of tools to make the decoration. We need a floral snipper. We need some thin silver wire. We need some hairpins that you can buy from your pharmacy or supermarket. And then we need some florist tape. First we have to decide of the design of our decoration. For example, if you have a small bun on the back of your head and you just want a couple of flowers, I would recommend to use some baby roses and then maybe combine them with some gypsophilia. For my hair, I'm going to use a few bigger roses. So I have here these nice open carousel illusion roses, and I'm going to place two here in the lower bun of my hair. So the first step what we do is we take the roses and we cut them very short. So we're going to cut it shorter, let's say 2 fingers under the head. Then we're going to take one of the floral hairpins. We take one of the silver wires and we make a little loop through the eye of the pin. Then we take the big rose and we wire the silver wire around this very small bit of the stem. Then we loop the silver wire back between the legs of the pin so it has some support. And the rest of the silver wire we twist all the way back to the top. So these carousel illusion roses, it's a lovely open rose. And some people, when they see them here in the shop, they think they're old. But that's not the case with these ones. They arrive when they're open and they stay open for approximately 10 days. So this is a lovely rose to use in your flower decorations and in your vases. So for this pin again, I will show you. We loop the wire through the eye of the hairpin. Then we place the pin with the length of the stem and we wire the silver wire around the stem. Then the last bit we wire through the legs of the pin and we wire again all the way up. To finish the pins off, we have to cover the wire with floral tape. So we have this special tape that we use for corsages and buttonholes. It's a plasticky tape and when you use it there is some glue coming free so that tapes the whole bit together. So we gently pull the tape over the stem and over the pin bit and then we pull it all the way up again. So you see the wire and the stem are nicely covered, and the last thing we just break it off and then with the warmth of our hand the glue glues together. For the second one we do of course the same. So we take the tape again, start from the top, tape it slightly down till the end of the stem, take the tape up again and we break it off. And then when you have your pin ready, you can just place it in your hair like this, and the second one as well. So as you see, I have my hairstyle ready. I placed the 2 roses here inside my hair. But what if you have another hairdo? You have, for example, a small bun on your hair, or you braid your hair and you want to divide the flowers over your whole hairdo. So in that case you can either go for little baby roses, or you can decorate the baby roses with a little bit of gypsophilia. It has the same idea again. You cut the stems very short, you take the silver wire, make it very short around the head of the baby rose, take some of the gypsophilia and then you twist it around the rose as well. Then you take one of the baby pins and you wire it in. So, and this works really nice if you place, for example, 3 little pins together. This is not as big, and also when you use these these flowers for your hair, always keep in mind that it's very warm on your head, so the flowers won't last for a long time unless you use very strong flowers. So roses would last for example, for wedding, they last very good for the day. And gypsophilia as well. So again, you see we have the little pin ready, and then we tape it with some of the flower tape. And then again, you can make maybe 3 or 5, depending how big your braid is or your bun, and then it looks also very nice together. So I just made a few more poses here with only the gypsophilia. You see, this way it's much easier to have a good grip in your hair, rather than only placing some loose stems in your hair. And this is really nice to combine either with the baby roses or used by itself over your hair divided. So yeah, you can see and play around and make your own hairstyle for if you want to wear flowers in your hair tomorrow. So thanks for watching and see you next time.